What if I told you there's a lake in Africa that can literally turn animals into stone? It's called Lake Natron in Tanzania, and its water is so deadly alkaline that any animal that falls in gets preserved like a statue. The lake's extreme pH levels cause a process called calcification, turning creatures into stone-like mummies over time. Scientists say it's like nature's own version of Medusa. Would you dare to visit this deadly lake? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane facts.